Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm really excited to announce that I'm installing my brand new exhaust on my 2021 Yamaha Mt-09. So I did purchase this bike used and it came with the Akrapovic, you can see right here, exhaust system. The full exhaust system goes from the headers all the way back here. I really do actually like this exhaust. I was surprised by how it sounds. However, after riding my friend Cole's bike, he has the M4 exhaust on his I believe it's a 2016 FZ09. That exhaust system is super loud. It sounds so good. It shoots flames. It's really exciting. It really brings the bike alive a little bit more. Now, on my first ride with this, I was a bit impressed with the sound. It is super clear and crisp. However, I normally wear earplugs and I want something that's a little bit louder at all times just so that people can hear me when I'm riding around. So today I'll do a comparison of the full Akrapovic exhaust system for the Mt-09, and then I'll show a comparison of that with the Dominator GP3 system that I'm going to be installing on the bike. I also do like that the Dominator exhaust system is more of a shorty. The exhaust for it is actually, or the exit for it's right about here. So I'm thinking that it's going to kind of clean up the back of the bike a little bit more, maybe reduce a little bit of weight. And I do like the kind of honeycomb look that the exhaust has. So I haven't taken a look at this exhaust system yet, so I'm really excited, but let's do a little unboxing video and then we'll start installing the exhaust on the new bike. Yeah, so let's open this. Oh wow, this looks really good. So the first version of this exhaust system, when I was looking online a couple years ago, they actually didn't have any branding at all, which is why I really liked it. I don't always like when they have the logos in sort of a bright color that maybe doesn't fit with the bike, so I liked that it didn't have anything on it. However, after that, they made a couple different production versions, and this is the one they ended up going with, so I'm actually really excited because it kind of just matches the overall look and doesn't really pop off of the bike too much. It kind of just fits in with the overall aesthetic, so I really like what Dominator has made with this exhaust system. So yeah, this is the tip. Looks really cool, and they even have the R part of the logo sort of etched out in the honeycomb, if you guys can see it. So pretty neat. Yeah, so these are the rest of the pieces. There's a couple installation, I think, wiring inside that they have. But yeah, today is not going to be an installation video, but I'm going to be pretty much, it's just a bolt-on system, not super hard to install. So I'm going to kind of work on installing this here. All right, guys, I just finished up installing the exhaust. It took about 3 hours. I did take a lunch break, but I was watching a YouTube video, and I'll include the video that I watched of how to install it in the description below. But it took a few hours. I got these exhausts installed. You can tell from here that basically I removed the mounting here that held the top of the Akrapovic exhaust right here. That was where the muffler was. So that's all gone, which opens up the whole back rear of the bike. Now the exit's just down below there, and you can see Dominator, and then the headers are designed a little bit differently, but pretty similar to what the Akrapovic system was. But you can see from this angle, I think it looks a lot cleaner, and I really like how shiny the exhaust is, and it kind of goes with some of the small accents of the bike. So I'm glad that I made this purchase just visually for the bike. I think that it definitely improves or enhances how it looks from certain angles. Yeah, so let me put my camera on the tripod and we'll get the bike started up for the first time. We'll let it warm up for a little bit, give it a couple revs, and then I'll go ride it out and show you guys some flybys comparing this exhaust system versus the Akrapovic. All right, so here is the first start. All right, guys, so I've got the bike out here on a good stretch of road where I'm gonna do some flybys with it. Perfect area, it's not too many people around me, so I'm gonna give you sort of a before and after with the exhaust system. Right now we have the Akrapovic exhaust system on, and then I'll play the next video with the Dominator GP3, and you'll see the sound difference of the two. Alright everyone, thank you for watching today's video. Please comment what you think of the exhaust below, but overall I'm really excited and pleased with the system. I think that it's opened up the bike a lot more, and I'm really excited to get some more flyby footages on other locations in the near future. But yeah, comment if you have any other mods I'm going to do. I kind of have a list of stuff that I might do to the bike, and I'll post some more content with it. But if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. My name is Jace, and thanks for watching today's video. Alright, see you guys.